Hi guys, and welcome back to my first clean and declutter with me for the year 2021. I hope you guys had a wonderful new year, but for me, I spent my new year taking down Christmas decorations because they were super overwhelming, and now I'm ready to tackle this bedroom. I've literally been hiding it from you guys because I'm just so embarrassed by how bad it's gotten, but one night at like 10 o'clock p.m. I decided I was going to tackle it. So first thing I wanted to do was declutter everything in the room. And how I did that was I took everything out from my bedside tables first and just threw it on my bed, and I did that for both tables. And then I went through each item one by one, picking it up, seeing if I needed it, if I liked it, if I used it, and then I sorted everything into 3 different categories. So I had a garbage bag, obviously was for garbage, and then the blue bin on the side there was all for donate or sell. It was just stuff that I just didn't want anymore but was still in good condition. And then the green bin was for items that I'm keeping but they just didn't belong in here. So I did that. I went through my tables and I also went through some like drawers. And then after that, I will tackle my closet. So I was on a roll at this point and I decided I was going to tackle my closet. So I took everything out and took everything off the hangers and threw it on the bed. This is part of the Konmari style method. I didn't do exactly like she says to do, which is to hold every item and see if it sparks joy, and then if it doesn't, thank the item and then place it nicely in like a bin. What I did was I took each item and held it and saw if I wanted to keep it or not, and then I just tossed it. I didn't really do the whole thank you thing. I get the concept behind it, but honestly, I was just trying to fly through this. So I ended up going through each item and I filled up 2 garbage bags full of clothes and stuff that I was going to try and sell. I took it to Plato's Closet the next day because I did this over the course of 2 days, and they gave me $25. They only took 7 things, but you know, $25 for cleaning out clothes that I've obviously used but just don't want anymore, I don't think it's too bad. So if you guys have a Plato's Closet near you, they take like very gently used, I would say like young adult clothing. There's other stores that take different style clothing, but definitely check them out if you're decluttering and trying to make a little bit of money as well. If you guys are new here to my channel, welcome. I just want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alyssa and I'm 23 years old. I bought my first home in September and I moved in November. So ever since then, I've been on a roll of decluttering, organizing, and just making this into a special home for me that I enjoy. So I've been putting off this bedroom forever, but it was something that I really needed to tackle. The goal today was to declutter the bedroom, reorganize the closet, and then as you guys can see, I only put clothes on one side of the closet. The other side I eventually want to turn into like an office space, so it might look a lot of a hot mess over there when you guys see the after shot, but it's just because I put all of my like office supplies and stuff over there, and I'm gonna deal with that another day because I'm probably gonna take out shelves and stuff, so that was just too big of a task for this day. But I got all my clothes and stuff organized on the one side, and then I got my room decluttered, I got my bed made, and I'm just so much less stressed to come upstairs. I would literally dread coming upstairs because it was just so overwhelming. And here is the after shot of my closet. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I think it's super functional and something that I can definitely keep up with. Like I said, the other half of my closet is going to be for my office, so I didn't really do much on that side. But these are all the clothes that I was getting rid of, donating. A couple things I couldn't donate because they were like specific to like sports and stuff that I did when I was a little bit younger. So like I said, I had 2 garbage bags full. And what I ended up doing was taking them downstairs, and then the next day I washed majority of them because I wanted them to be in good condition when I took them to Plato's Closet to have them, I don't know, like check things out. They're so picky, and I wanted to make sure everything was in its best condition, and even then they only took 7 items. So like I said, super picky. I'm probably going to try another Plato's Closet to see if they'll take any more stuff. But yeah, I washed it and made sure it was all clean. Finally, I had decluttered my bedroom and my closet, so it was time to get some cleaning done. I had noticed that my cat's litter box was pretty disgusting. I don't know if she like missed the box and peed on the side or something, but it was gross. So I went in with my favorite Dawn Powerwash and cleaned it up. Somebody had asked me once if you have to like go in after you spray it and like spray water over it before you wipe it up, and no, you don't. Dawn Powerwash is like a multi-purpose cleaner. It's not just for dishes. That was what I thought, but no. And then I put in a pee pad to prevent an accident again, so hopefully that works out. I finally did some organizing too. I have a lot of travel size lotions and hand sanitizers because I picked up some more from Target today from their Christmas clearance. So I organized that, and then I organized my headbands, and I put those in my bedside table drawers, and now they're all neat and organized. And then I just have to go in and label them another day, but that'll be for another video. So as you can see, I got a new duvet cover. That's so hard for me to say. And I don't usually even sleep with this blanket because it is so heavy, which I bought on purpose, but it's just too heavy almost. But I wanted to try it out, so I put this new duvet cover on. And it took me forever. It took me like 13 minutes, but obviously I sped it up for you. And it's funny because I was watching Loving Life as Megan's videos, and she had just put her duvet cover on and she said it took her 15 minutes. And I was like, yeah, I totally get that. But it ended up being like super cute and nice, and I really like it. So I'm actually about to go to sleep after I finish this voiceover. So we'll see how good this blanket really is. But yeah, it was a struggle to get in. I know people have tried different ways to make it go by quicker, like the rolling method. But I tried that once and I didn't really like it. So I just do the old-fashioned way. Takes a little bit longer, but I think it ends up coming out a lot better. The final order of business was to give everything a quick vacuum. I do need to go over some spots with my spot cleaner, carpet cleaner, because my dog and cat have both had like some accidents, but we will do that eventually. There will be another part to this video where I go much more into depth on organizing and stuff, but here's the after. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next week for another video. Bye.